Hello dear teachers and students. My name is Achal Gajan Ningre. I am in class BSc second year from Model Degree College Buldhana. India is celebrating 75 years of independence. Our college arranged the inauguration ceremony of poster presentation. And my topic is IoT. IoT is nothing but the Internet of Things. With IoT, practically all appliances can be connected to the internet and monitored remotely. IoT is shaping the way we live our lives. It helps us get better insight into the working of things around us. So, what exactly is the Internet of Things? IoT is a system of interrelated devices connected to the internet to transfer and receive data from one to the another. A smart home is the best example of IoT. Home appliances like the AC, doorbell, thermostats, smoke detectors, water heaters, and security alarms can be interconnected to share data with the user over a mobile application. The user can now get detailed insight into the working of the devices around the user. Recently, the internet helped people connect and interact with each other, but now inanimate objects have the ability to sense the surroundings, to interact and collaborate with one another. For example, in the morning, when our alarm goes off, the IoT system can open the window blinds, turn on the coffee pot, and even turn on the water heater. Although all of this is fascinating, there is a lot that goes on in the background to ensure seamless functioning, from effective communication between devices to accurate processing of the data received. A lot of components are involved. In the context of IoT devices, hardware can be classified into general devices and sensing devices. The general devices are the main components of the data hub and information exchange. They are connected either by wired or wireless interfaces. Home appliances are a classic example of general devices. The sensing devices includes sensors and actuators. They measure the temperature, humidity, light intensity and other parameters. These IoT devices are connected to the network with the help of gateways. These gateways or processing nodes process the information collected from the sensors and transfer it to the cloud. The cloud acts as both the storage and processing unit. Actions are performed on the collected data for further learning and inferences. Wired and wireless interfaces like Wi Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, LTE-M, and so on are used to provide connectivity to ensure its ubiquity. Applications need to support a diverse set of devices and communication protocols, from tiny sensors which are capable of sensing and reporting the desired factor to powerful back-end servers that are utilized for data analysis and knowledge extraction. With the improved response, monitoring and analytical capabilities, IoT is being adopted in almost all industries and domains, opening doors to endless application. Today, IoT is being used extensively to less the burden on humans. IoT is deployed for smart home, wearables, smart city, smart grids, industrial internet, connected car, connected health, smart retail, smart supply chain, and smart farming. With such a wide spectrum of application, the future of it looks more promising than ever before. In 2018, there were about 23 billion connected devices, which was more than double the world population. According to experts, there will be over 80 billion devices by 2025. IoT is a vision to connect all devices with the power of internet, always learning and always growing. Thank you.